This time of year is perfect for making apple cake. I recently found this channel and it's called Classic Bakes. There's a variety of delicious foods that you can prepare in the comfort of your kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to their channel for delicious and healthy recipes. Let me show you how to make this delicious and amazing vegan apple cake. First, make sure that you preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius degrees. Line a springform pan with a piece of parchment paper and grease with oil. In a large mixing bowl, whisk the flour, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and sea salt. Whisk until everything is combined and then stir in the baking powder. Pour in the almond milk, coconut oil, and lemon juice to the mixture and stir until combined. Fold in the grated apple and mix until just combined. Grated apple gives amazing taste, and I've learned this from the Classic Bakes YouTube channel. Subscribe to their channel for more delicious recipes. Pour the prepared apple butter in the prepared pan and smooth it out with the help of a spatula. Place the sliced apples on top of the cake batter and arrange them in a fan shape. Bake the cake in preheated oven for about 50 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. As soon as the cake comes out from the oven, brush the cake with a little bit of apricot jam for even more appealing presentation. There you have it, guys, a delicious vegan apple cake perfect for fall entertaining. If you want to see more delicious recipes, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also subscribe to Classic Bakes YouTube channel. The link you will find in the description box down below. Have fun cooking until the next time.